Dog raising experience for beginners. 1. Choose the right breed. Research breeds that match your lifestyle, space, and activity level. Choosing the right dog breed is essential to ensure a harmonious match with your lifestyle, space, and activity level. Here's how to do it. About activity level. High-energy breeds like Border Collies, or Labradors, need active owners for exercise and mental stimulation. Low-energy breeds like Bulldogs, or Basset Hounds suit a quieter lifestyle. Living space. Large breeds like Great Danes can adapt to apartments if exercised regularly, but they may need more room. Small breeds like Chihuahuas are ideal for smaller living spaces. Family compatibility. Breeds like Golden Retrievers and Beagles are known for their friendliness, and are great with kids. Consider hypoallergenic breeds like Poodles, if allergies are a concern. Time commitment. Independent breeds like Greyhounds require less attention. Velcro breeds like Australian Shepherds thrive on companionship. Researching a breed's temperament, care needs, and potential health issues can lead to a more 2. Basic supplies. Prepare essentials like a collar, leash, food, bowls, bed, and toys before bringing the dog home. Food and water bowls. Choose durable, non-slip bowls that are easy to clean. Stainless steel or ceramic options are ideal. Dog food. Select high-quality dog food appropriate for your dog's age, breed, and dietary needs. Consult your vet for recommendations. Leash and collar. A sturdy leash and adjustable collar are essential for walks and identification. Attach an ID tag with your contact details. Crate or bed. Provide a comfortable space for rest. Crates should be appropriately sized, and beds should suit your dog's size and sleeping style. Toys. Chew toys, fetch toys, and puzzle toys keep dogs entertained and help prevent destructive behavior. Grooming supplies. Brushes, nail clippers, dog shampoo, and toothpaste are essential for regular grooming. Waste bags for cleaning up after your dog during walks or in the yard. First aid kit include bandages, antiseptic, and any medications your dog may need. 3. Nutrition. Feed high-quality, breed-appropriate food, and establish a consistent feeding schedule. Proper nutrition is vital for a dog's overall health and well-being. Here's a guide to ensuring your dog receives a balanced diet. 8 essential nutrients. Proteins supports muscle growth and repair. Sources include meat, fish, and eggs. Fats provides energy and supports a healthy coat and skin, found in animal fats and fish oils. Carbohydrates supplies energy, includes rice, sweet potatoes, and whole grains. Vitamins and minerals crucial for immune function, bone health, and metabolism. Ensure your dog food includes these. Water keeps your dog hydrated and aids digestion. Always provide fresh water. B. Choose high-quality food formulated for your dog's age, size, and activity level. Look for brands with real meat as the first ingredient and limited fillers. See home-cooked or raw diets. If opting for homemade meals, consult a veterinarian to ensure the diet is balanced and meets all nutritional needs. Avoid toxic foods like chocolate, onions, garlic, and grapes. D. Feeding guidelines. Follow portion recommendations based on weight and activity level. Stick to a consistent feeding schedule, usually 2 to 3 meals per day. E. Supplements. Some dogs may benefit from added omega-3s, glucosamine, or probiotics. Consult a vet before introducing supplements. F. Monitor and adjust. Regularly assess your dog's weight and energy levels. Adjust their diet as needed. Balanced nutrition ensures your dog stays healthy, energetic, and happy. Always consult a veterinarian for personalized advice. 4. Training. 5. Socialization. 6. Exercise. 7. Health care. 8. Grooming. 9. Patience. 10. Education. 4. Training. Start obedience training early, focusing on basic commands like sit, stay, and come. Consistency is key. 5. Socialization. Expose your dog to various people, environments, and other animals to reduce fear or aggression. 6. Exercise. Ensure regular physical activity to keep your dog healthy and happy. 7. Healthcare. Schedule regular vet visits, vaccinations, and parasite prevention. 8. Grooming. Brush your dog regularly, and maintain hygiene with occasional baths. 9. Patience. Be patient and understanding, especially during housebreaking or learning phases. 10. Education. Continuously learn about dog care and behavior to strengthen your bond. The video ends here. Thank you for always accompanying and always supporting the attractive videos of this channel. Please subscribe, like and share to support the channel. See you all in the next video of the channel. Thank you very much and best wishes to everyone.